Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming who controls the composition and the sound recording. This matters because you may need two clearances. Next, select a license source: YouTube audio library for free use, a stock music service like Epidemic Sound, or direct permission from the label. Each provides different rights and dashboards. Once you have the license, download any proof or license ID and keep it ready. Upload only after you possess explicit written permission or a documented license number to avoid automatic content ID claims. When uploading, enter precise metadata. List the song title, composer, performer, and include the license ID or contract reference in the description so reviewers see it at a glance. Then, use YouTube's rights management and content declaration tools. Select the proper monetization option, whether you keep revenue, share it, or assign it to the rights holder. Also attach or link the license file in the video's metadata or your channel's policy documents to speed dispute resolution and prevent strikes when Content ID flagged. After upload, monitor Content ID and copyright claim emails. If a claim appears but you hold a valid license, submit the license file and contract details through YouTube's dispute flow immediately, explaining the scope of rights. If the claimant rejects your proof, negotiate a revenue split or replace the track using an alternate licensed file to avoid takedown. Finally, archive all licensed documentation, invoices, and correspondence for at least 2 years. If things go wrong, your single best troubleshooting move is to provide clear, dated written permission during.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.